like it's perfect that direction. Got to be something with one of the teeth on that one gear. All right, looking at the knock and transmission, this is the only thing I can find. Is there is a bump here on this gear. Just so slight, but it is only on the one edge. When I spin the gears independently of each other, in here, that's why I kind of located the spot. I'm gonna try to take a little Dremel and try to knock that guy down, see if that does anything. Alright, I massaged the gear just a little bit, had a little nick. I just ran a Dremel and just kind of cleaned it up. Right there, that too. See if that makes a difference. Alright, this is after I massaged the gear. Let's hear it. That way it didn't screw up before. One more rod knock. Sweet.